If you want to record the screen on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, it is quite simple. You just have to go to Quick Settings or the Control Center, and then over here you might be able to immediately find this button, this camera icon with four lines. And you can also extend this panel, this section, in order to find the button as well, in case it is not here. And in case this option is completely missing, then you can tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner, then tap on Edit in this section, and then look for the screen recorder in available buttons. So once we have that button, we can tap on it. Then we have the setup. You can choose which sound you want to record and whether you want to show taps and touches as well. And we can tap on Start Recording. We have the countdown that we can skip by using the Skip Countdown button. And now we are recording our screen. We have additional tools over here that we can hide if you want to. They are, I believe, not really visible during the recording or in the video actually. We have the drawing tool. We can also pause the recording, renew the recording, and we can pause the recording, stop the recording, I mean, completely. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.